Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're taking a deep look at the XRP to USDC daily chart powered by Heikin-Ashi candles and a trio of advanced AI-based indicators. We'll break down what each signal is showing us, interpret the projected movements, and finish with a forecast, not financial advice, but a technical perspective based on current market data. Let's start with price action. XRP is currently trading around 2.54 after a sharp decline from recent highs above 3.00. You can see the last few Heikin-Ashi candles printing strong red bars, which signals clear bearish momentum and increasing downside pressure. The Adaptive SuperTrend indicator, shown at the top, flipped to red, indicating a potential short-term downtrend within a broader bullish framework. This aligns with the mode displayed in the top right, trend following, bearish trend detected. The macro structure still leans bearish. The micro trend is currently corrective or in a pullback phase. Now, let's move to the infinity signal indicator, which is one of the most insightful parts of this setup. The green and red lines here represent the traditional stochastic RSI, with green as the faster %K and red as the slower %D. The lighter gray line in the projection represents where the green line is expected to move in the near future, while the darker gray line projects the red line's path. Right now, both stochastic lines have crossed downward and are sitting in the lower 25% region. This indicates bearish momentum, but also potential oversold conditions forming. What's interesting is that the projection, the gray clone lines, shows a slight upward curvature forming ahead, which suggests a potential bottoming process and an early hint of a reversal attempt in the coming sessions. Below that, we have the Machine Learning RSI indicator, Bull Vision mode enabled. This combines traditional RSI momentum with AI smoothing through a Kalman filter. Notice how the histogram has dipped into red below the midline, confirming bearish momentum. However, it's now flattening, suggesting that selling pressure could be losing strength. When this indicator begins to lighten and shift toward aqua green, it's often an early sign that momentum is preparing to turn back up, historically a precursor to a rebound in price. So, putting everything together, the Trident Trading Strategy's target price of 2.27 was hit on October 10, 2025. Price action shows strong bearish momentum short-term. SuperTrend is red and is still within a larger bearish detection mode. The infinity signal indicator indicates oversold conditions with a possible projected crossover forming. The Machine Learning RSI shows fading bearish strength. This combination typically signals that we're nearing the end of a short-term correction, with a potential setup for a relief bounce or continuation of the broader bullish trend, as long as XRP can hold above key support zones near 2.20 to 2.25. From a purely technical standpoint, again, this is not financial advice. The indicators suggest a possible short-term stabilization phase. If we see confirmation from the stock RSI turning back up and the Machine Learning RSI flipping from red to aqua green, XRP could retest the 2.65 to 2.80 resistance range in the next few sessions. However, if the price loses the 2.20 support area, that could invalidate the bullish projection and extend the correction further. To summarize, XRP's daily chart shows temporary weakness, but underlying signs of resilience. Watch for those projected stock RSI turns, the lighter and darker gray lines, as they could signal the next key shift in market momentum. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI-driven technical analysis update.